Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. वेलकम टू योर ओन चैनल ई स्टडीज़। आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके और इंशाल्लाह आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित हो। टुडे माय टॉपिक इज़ blizzards. In cold climates, snowy days are common. However, sometimes blizzards completely cover an area. Blizzards are very dangerous to drive in because drivers can't see far away and may lose control of their cars on the snowy roads. Heavy snow can also break power lines and roofs of homes. People who are outside in a blizzard can get lost, and the cold, windy air can freeze skin that isn't covered. Blizzards can go on for days, which is dangerous for people who run out of food or need medical care. This is a picture of blizzards. Here is blizzard is shown. Thank you so much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.